Hey alchemists, today we're going to be making a sourdough pie crust with our leftover extra sourdough starter. Here we have some fine flour and we're going to add some sugar, a little bit of salt, and we're going to add the butter. The colder the butter, the better. Your goal is to get sort of a crumbly, sandy mixture. Often in pie crust they're adding a little bit of vinegar in there, but we're going to add our extra sourdough starter. He's also going to be working away at the other flour to make it more digestible. And a little bit of very cold water. If the water is too warm, then your butter starts to melt, and we want everything to stay one consistent ball. We want to put that in the fridge or freezer to make it nice and cold so we can roll it out. Boom. And this we can use as decoration later. But now we're going to prepare our fruits. For this harvest season, I'm going to add some apples, pears, and some sugar. Huh?